Small business ideas in Saudi Arabia have increased exponential since the launch the vision in the recent year 2025. Start a small business ideas in Saudi Arabia have increased was through market research, developing a comprehensive plan and complying with logo regulations, impressive technology, and reach our target audience. We have covered our five small business ideas for Saudi Arabia. They are very profitable. Number one, CCTV installation business. Is it a grow instructable for domestic and commercial use? If you have knowledge, expertise, and recording complaints, you can started this business to care the needs of these customers. Developing a partnership with suppliers and high quality CCTV equipment to ensure and reliable and competitive offering. Hire skilled technicians and maintain the CCTV cameras. Number 2, courier delivery company. Starting a courier delivery company in Saudi Arabia recovered careful planning and its hair logo regulations, beginning by condition through market research to understand the domestic for country services and identify potential competitors, invest a reliable potential we are goes and developing a strong network a courier company amplify official tracker and delivery system to ensure timely and accurate deliveries. Number 3, grocery delivery business. The domain for grocery delivery services has surged, special in open areas, as customers seek more convention and time saving options for the grocery shopping. Installs in online platform and mobile apps allow customers to browse and order grocery for the comfort of their home. Number 4, driving school. The country is young populations, increasing number of women obtaining driving license and the needs of professional training for international residents all contributor to grow in the man of driving school. Starting a driving school business in Saudi Arabia is a looked adventure but scared utilize for driving similar software online schedule system. Number 4, scrap dealer business. To start a scrap business in Saudi Arabia, you need the understand the domain scrap materials and finally for potential buyer secures the necessary license and permit for the government authorities. Such is the Saudi Arabia Journal Invest Authorities is obtaining the necessary license and permit for the government authorities. Also, you need the high confidential and expertise for driving industries. Establish partnership for the local industries and construction companies and recycling facilities to ensure competitors supplier scrap material to management different scrap material. You search the market and build the strong network in industries.